How to cancel Zelle payment on Chase mobile app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first thing first, if your transaction has been completed and it is not pending, then you won't be able to cancel your transaction now. For that, you will have to ask the person to refund your money back. And if your transaction is still in pending, then let's see how we can cancel it up. So for that, just simply open up your Chase mobile application, and after opening up your application, you will be able to find the option of pay and transfer at the bottom. Just simply select it. After that, you will be able to see the option of see activity at the bottom panel. Just click on this option of see activity, then select the option of Zelle. Now on the next page, you will be able to find different tabs like money received, money sent. So just go on the tab of money sent, and on that particular tab you will be able to find different transactions, all the money that you have sent. So here you will be able to see the option of pending transaction. Just simply select that particular transaction and you will be able to find the option of cancellation. Just simply click on that particular transaction and you will be able to cancel that transaction. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.